Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about stack data structure and queue data structure. So let's discuss what is a stack first. So as you can see, this is a stack. This is following the bottom to top approach. So what is the meaning of bottom to top approach? It means we are inserting elements from the bottom and it goes up to top. So in this structure, first I insert 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So that's why we're calling it bottom to top approach. Similarly, what is a queue? So queue is also a data structure which follows first in, first out structure. So what is first in, first out structure? It means we are going to insert the element from left to right. First I insert 1, then I insert 2, then I insert 3, then I insert 4, like that. It goes on. We are inserting elements from left to right in a queue. And in a stack, we are inserting elements from bottom to top. So stack follows bottom to top approach and queue follows left to right approach, you can say. And why it is called last in, first out? Because when we are trying to delete an element in the stack, we cannot delete it randomly like that. For example, we cannot delete it randomly. For example, we cannot came to this 2 directly and we cannot delete this. It is not possible in the stack. So how we delete the elements in a stack? So it is deleted from the top only. So what is the top? In the top there is 7. So we delete 7 first. Then after deleting 7, what is the topmost element? There is 6. If you want to remove the topmost element, now it's 6. So this will be deleted. So you can delete element from a stack by using stack.pop function. It is a inbuilt function. If you want to delete an element in the stack, you can use stack.pop. So how can we get this peak element? So there is another method for that. If we want to find the peak element in a stack, peak element means the topmost element. We can write st.peak. So this line will give us the peak element of the stack. So in this question, it is stack.peak equal to 7. So this structure, the topmost element is 7. And if we pop this element, means if we pop this 7, then our topmost element is 6. So our peak element is 6. So I hope you understand this, and let's come to queue. So queue is following first in, first out structure. As I already told, like we can insert element from left to right. So if we want to pop an element, then we can pop from the left side. We can remove this 1 first, then 2, then 3, then 4, like this. So, and if we are inserting into the queue from left to right, first we insert 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. So we can insert the elements into the queue like this. So if I write q dot add 1, then it will add 1 in the 1 here. And similarly, if I write q dot add 2, q dot add 3, q dot add 4. So what it will do? It will first insert 1 into the queue, then insert 2, then 3, then 4. It will first insert 1 into the queue, then insert 2 on the back of 1, then insert 3 on the back of 2, then insert 4 on the back of 3. It will insert the elements like this. So if I want to delete an element from the queue, then we can always delete from the top, from the left. First, if I want to delete this one, I can simply write q dot poll, q dot poll. So what it will do when I write like this, it will simply remove this one from this queue. So what are the remaining elements? What are the remaining elements if I delete this one? The remaining elements are these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so let's discuss how we can get the topmost element in the queue. So for now, just imagine I did not delete this one. So how can we get the topmost element? So for that, I'm gonna write q dot pick. This function is gives us the topmost element in the queue. Got it? So I hope you understand. Yeah, so that's all for today, and let me know if I forget anything. Then we can discuss in my next video. If you like my video, then please like my uh, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.